Happy Tuesday, Castle team. Welcome to the last week of school. This is our weekly Castle communication where we are breaking barriers and building futures. First of all, some updates. The end of the year district testing must be finalized by the end of the week. Please make sure your STAR and Interim 4 is complete with any required hand scoring done before Friday.
This Wednesday, May 30th, will be grade level PLC time. You can finish with checkout. You can find either Katrina or Amanda to check you out, or you can work with your team on planning for next year.
All right, and then for checkout, make sure you have all the required signatures before your checkout time. Sign-ups will start Wednesday, May 30th. We'll have a sign-up sheet on the health room window. If you are returning to Castle, you will check out with Katrina so she can give you some dates for next year. If you are not returning to Castle, you will check out with Amanda. Check out assignments, make sure that your rooms can start being checked out on Wednesday. Let us know if you cannot check out by Friday because you're moving classrooms. You will need to schedule your checkout for a later date.
The last day of school is this Friday. It is a full contracted day. Dismissal for primary students is at 11:35 a.m. and for intermediate at 12:05. You need to stay with your students until they are all gone. Our end of year celebration will be in the multi-purpose room. It will begin at 1:30. We look forward to seeing everybody there.
And then for your end of the year reminders, this week is cow inventory. Please give your cow key to Dawn and she may have you move your cow to a central area.
Summer school professional development and prep for those teachers who are working summer STEAM will be June 4th. From 8 to 3:30 p.m. We will meet in the multi-purpose room and then separate into different rooms for the professional development.
And then our CAS preliminary data is in. We've seen some solid growth in several areas. Please see Amanda or Katrina for your results if we don't get them in your box first.
And then for some reminders, we have our 6th grade awards tomorrow, May 30th. It will begin at 9 o'clock in the multi-purpose room. We also have end of year parties for 1st and 4th grades tomorrow. And then we are going to be celebrating Miss DeHoog's baby at her shower tomorrow at 3:20 in the technology lab. And then finally on Thursday, we have end of year parties for TKK 2nd and 3rd grades.
As you're cleaning up your rooms and organizing, please keep the following in mind. Any obsolete curriculum can go to Dawn. We will send that back to the DO and free up some cupboard space. Please use your recycling bins to dispose of old workbooks or copies. We don't need to leave old copies for new teachers coming in. And then any unopened supplies can be returned to the supply room.
And then for teachers returning to Castle, before you leave on Friday, you will receive a list of important dates for summer planning, a staff mixer, and school planning teams. As soon as we get the go-ahead from Human Resources, Katrina will send you names and numbers of your new team members so that you may contact them over the summer.
All right, now for some shout outs. Jenny Ryland, Natalie, and Amanda Goodwin for planning a beautiful retirement celebration for Lynn Killian.
To Crystal, Ashley, Alyssa, Cassia, Carolina, Destiny, Tony, Trish, Kami, Roxy, Lou, Grant, Shannon, and Jill for participating in last week's focus groups.
Destiny, Amanda Goodwin, and Celine for organizing monthly and end of the year awards. It was a huge task and we appreciate all your work.
Thank you to Roxy and Alyssa for cleaning out our other 3rd grade classroom.
And then Kami, thank you so much for being willing to change rooms so that grade levels could be close together in the building.
And then a special thank you to our STEAM specialists, Jamie, Shannon, Tony, Emilio, Becky, and Cody for planning summer STEAM professional development. All right, that's a wrap, Castle staff. Thanks for listening, and remember our school priorities: math, collaboration, positive school culture, and we wish you a wonderful summer.